Okay, hello everybody. My name is Jun and I am from Nottingham class. Today I want to tell you about the Singapore. Let's go to the Singapore.
Sir?
What is Singapore? Singapore is small countries. It is countries in Southeast Asia, located near Malaysia. It famous, uh, it famous for being very clean and safe and organized with strict laws, known as global business hub. Uh, Singapore is well,
It's okay. Just continue. Singapore is?
Singapore is also multicultural with people from Chinese,
India.
Malaysia, and India.
Okay, good. See? Next.
And
Again.
let's try some street food in Singapore. In Singapore, there is Hainanese chicken rice. Hainanese chicken rice is roasted or steamed chicken
Then?
served with fragrant, fragrant rice and accompanied rice by garlic chili oil. Simple but delicious. We think Hainanese chicken rice is simple than rendang to cook.
Next.
And more street food. There is chili crabs. Singapore iconic seafood dish. Mud crab cooked in a thick, spicy tomato-based sauce, best enjoyed with fried birds. Sometimes chili crab is more delicious than other type of crab foods because of the spicy ingredients.
Next.
And Singapore have a garden by the bay. Its iconic garden features the Super Tree Grove, cloud forest, and flower dome, blending natural with futuristic design. This garden is more futuristic garden than the garden in Jakarta. And Singapore also have Ubin Island. It's an island situated in the northeast of Singapore, to the west of Pulau Tekong. The granite quarry used to be supported by a few thousand settlers on Pulau Ubin in the
1960s.
1960s, but only about 40 villages remained as of 2012. It is one of the last rural areas to be found in Singapore, with an abundance of natural flora and fauna. And Singapore has Resort World Sentosa. It is Asia premium lifestyle. This destination resort is located on Singapore Resort Island of Sentosa, spanning 49 hectares. RVS is home to world-class attractions, including Universal Studios, Singapore SEA Aquarium, Dolphin Island, and Adventure Cove Adventure Water Park. Singapore has Jewel Changi Airport, also known as or is a natural themed entertainment and retail complex, served by and linked to one of the passenger terminals of Changi Airport, Singapore. Its centerpiece is the world's tallest indoor waterfall, the rain vortex that is surrounded by a terraced forest setting.
You're not rich, right? Okay, next.
And there is city life in Singapore. iconic like this place. Singapore has a famous light show, especially around Marina Bay Sands, where the specs light and water show takes place. This show use the lights, fountains, and music critique, a magical ambience that attract large crowds. In my opinion, city lights in Singapore is more beautiful in Jakarta city lights. I think that's all about the Singapore. Thank you guys.
Alright. Okay. Question session now, yeah. Right. Now, Chen, tell about the Changi Airport. In your opinion, what makes Changi Airport become one of what we call it? I forgot. This one, yeah, about Singapore. In your opinion, what makes Singapore better than Indonesia?
Because people in Singapore is disciplined.
Discipline, okay.
And their character is
What?
is
Independent?
independent
Independent. Or independent?
and
Pro?
independent and
Are they productive or not?
yeah, people in Singapore is productive.
More productive, yeah. Right. Then, what makes the tourist destination in Singapore, if we see, is more, is cleaner and also better than the tourist destination in Indonesia?
What means?
Yeah. What makes the tourist destination in Singapore, like Garden by the Bay, and also the Changi Airport, and any other places there, better and also cleaner than us?
Because the people in Singapore can follow the what is
The policy.
no.
What?
Can follow the
Rules.
the rules.
Yeah, policy also rules ada ya. Oh, can follow the rules. So, what suggestion that you can give to Indonesian so they will be like Singapore, follow the rules or policy? Your opinion. What should we do as Indonesian? Simple this one. If you have suggestions, let's say, what should we do? What should we improve?
We must do.
We must.
What else? Discipline and.
Discipline, yeah. Yeah, discipline like what?
Discipline like.
What?
Discipline like.
Give tight rule. Like the strong rule. Cannot be break down. What? What then?
Okay. Wait, I forget.
It's okay, take your time.
People in Indonesia
Eh?
must.
Come on, just give suggestion. What should Indonesian do so they will be more obey the rules, follow the rules, will not break the rules.
What is pendidikan? I forget.
The education.
The education.
The education. What should we do with that?
The education in Singapore, I think, is more good than.
Better.
Yeah.
Okay. It means that they teach them more. Right. Okay. The next one, Jun. As you know, Singapore actually has less natural resources if we compare with Indonesia. Indonesia has more islands, has more beautiful places, right? But what makes people comfortable in Singapore rather than Indonesia? especially when they want, holiday.
What make comfortable?
Yeah, what makes people prefer Singapore than Indonesia when it comes to holiday or maybe the tourist destination? Even though we have so many beautiful islands or beautiful places like that.
Maybe the place is very clean and
Uh-huh.
organized.
Oh, the place is very clean and organized. Okay, what else again? Indonesia? How? The condition?
I think the condition of Indonesia, the early is good, but
In the past?
the past and the next,
Uh-huh.
I think not.
Worse. Worse. Yeah. Or what?
Like what? Not. What is not worse?
Huh?
Not worse.
Not worse. So it's not worse, what then? Worse is really sangat-sangat jelek kawan. What?
Not sangat jelek, like
Tidak diurus, not preserve.
yeah, that is
Doesn't take care.
take care.
Right. So in your opinion, if we take care more, and then it can be good,
Yeah.
just like Singapore. Okay, that I think.
I think that's all. Thank you.